Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I know it's been a long time I'm not making videos on YouTube, पर अब कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं regular videos बनाऊं और आपके लिए content लेके आऊं. So today the video is going to be how I curl my hair at home. If you want to know how I curl my hair at home, just watch this video and enjoy. So first thing I want all of you to know that my hair are super straight. I don't have curly hair. My hair, like texture of my hair is super straight. Like you can see. I don't have much waves, so it's very difficult to do curls on my hair. See. तो हर किसी के बाल का टेक्सचर, हर किसी के बाल का वॉल्यूम अलग है. आई हैव सुपर लॉन्ग हेयर एंड सुपर स्ट्रेट, और थोड़े वॉल्यूम भी मेरा थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, तो मेरे को कर्ल करने में थोड़ी डिफ़िकल्टी आती है. बट टू मैनेज दैट डिफ़िकल्टी आई हैव अ वन सॉल्यूशन फॉर सुपर स्ट्रेट हेयर. तो उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले एक अच्छा कर्लर ढूंढना है. If you will take some local curler, that will not affect and not give a good effect on your hair. तो आपको उसके लिए पहले एक अच्छा कर्लर चाहिए. So here I have this curler from Philip. It's a very good curler and give you a good like curly or any kind of, you need total curls, you need beachy waves, और जैसा भी आपको वॉल्यूम चाहिए उस हिसाब से आपको ये प्रोवाइड करेगा. ठीक है. तो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो बेटर कर्लर फॉर योर हेयर, आई सजेस्ट you to take Philips curler. So as you can see, it has rotating cord. It's very easy to manage, and here there is one switch. That way you can, if you want, you are ready to do your curl, you can just do it up. It will be one light over there and it will be on. If you are not using, just switch off from here. Now first thing, that what you have to do, first just comb your all hair. बालों को अच्छे से आप कंघी कर दीजिए और अपने बालों के हर एक पार्ट सुलझा होना चाहिए. कोई भी बिल्कुल भी टैंगल्ड नहीं होना चाहिए. टेक आउट योर ऑल टैंगल फ्रॉम द हेयर. जिसके बाल हैवी हैं वो बिल्कुल मेक श्योर करें कि आपके कोई भी टैंगल्स ना हो, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट गिव यू गुड इफेक्ट और गुड कर्ल. So I've already combed my hair nicely and I've taken all the tangle from my hair. Now for now second thing, what you have to do, just from your eyes this side, just take half of the hair and two set will be there. Upper set, make bun over the top like this. I told you my hair are very heavy, so it's very difficult to maintain. So now like this you can create one bun over the top. So I've already created. Now this, you got two sets at your lower part of the lower portion of the hair. Now you got the lower portion. So after doing two section of your hair, one is upper, another is lower. Now you got two section and you can divide it in two parts. The lower one, then I'll take the heat protectant. Heat protectant is must. If you are giving heat to your hair, either you are straightening or curling, you need a good hair protector for giving good shine, and it will not break your hair also. So for heat protectant I'm using this L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil. It have very like multi usages. It's like a serum also, it's a heat protectant also. So if I'll suggest, this is the better heat protectant I'll suggest for you guys. It's from L'Oreal L5. So what I'll do, I'll take 2 to 3 drops. I'll take and rub in my palm and just apply all over my hair. You can apply according to your hair texture. Some have very much oily hair. Don't take much, just take 1 or 2 drops. That will be better. Now I've applied heat protectant all over my hair. Now I'll take one strand like this and I comb it just on your this curler. And what I'll do from here, you can just curl your hair inside the wand of your curler like this. My hair are super long, so it's very difficult sometimes to manage it, but somehow I manage. Let it stay for at least 30 seconds. My hair curler is not hot now because I on it now only, so it will take much longer. When it's hot, you don't need much time, or 1 minute or 2 minutes. Don't take too much time. Just apply it only for 30 to 40 seconds. It would be, you'll be good to go. It's already very hot now. I can touch and feel it. Now by that we can just open it like this. You can see how nicely my hair got curl from this color. I love this product a lot. I'll show you one more and I'll curl all my lower section and get back to you. Like that, again I've taken another strand. Now again I'll take my curler, place it on the upper part and just fold my hair to the curler wand. And let it stay for 30 to 40 seconds. It's a very good curler, guys. And whenever you use curler, straightener, always make sure to use good heat protectant to manage your hair and keep that shine and volume. Now you can just open it. See how beautifully my hair got curled by this curler. Now I'll curl all my lower section and get back to you guys. So guys, मैंने lower section अपना सारा curl कर लिया है, as you can see. तो इस कर्ल्स को मेंटेन करने के लिए मैं क्या करूँगी, बिकॉज मेरे बाल बहुत सुपर स्ट्रेट है, तो उसके लिए मैं एक स्प्रे, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम गेट्सबाय, तो मैं ये स्प्रे अपने ऑल ओवर हेयर पे आई विल स्प्रे दिस टू गिव दैट स्टिफी एंड दैट टाइट लुक, ताकि वो लॉक्ड अप रहे मेरे कर्ल्स जो मैंने किए हैं. लाइक फ्रॉम बिल्कुल नज़दीक से नहीं, थोड़ा दूर से, जस्ट स्प्रे इट ऑल ओवर योर हेयर. डन. नाउ इन द सेम वे जैसे मैंने अपने लोअर सेक्शन कर्ल करे हैं, वैसे ही मैं अपना अपर सेक्शन आई विल जस्ट ओपन ऑल दैट. फर्स्ट आई विल जस्ट क्लिप ऑन माई लोअर सेक्शन ताकि वो सब मिक्स ना हो. नाउ अपर सेक्शन, just open all your hair like this and comb it once. एक और बारी फिर आप comb कर ले ताकि जितने भी टैंगल्ड हैं वो सब निकल जाएं, एंड कर्ल इट द सेम वे आई टोल्ड यू. You can see guys, I've curled my hair just to make it stay. Same spray I'll spray on my like upper part that I curled now. By spraying this that's keep and set spray, that will maintain my curls for a longer time. Otherwise, if you have like straight hair like me, that will not maintain, and it will get very much, they'll just loosen up, and that curl will not be like that you want. So my front part, this part, it's very short, so I'll give it very light wave ताकि वो मेरे बाल ज़्यादा कर्ल होके एकदम बैक में ज़्यादा छोटे ना हो जाएं. तो उसके लिए मैं बिल्कुल एक हल्का सा कर्ल, हल्का सा एक जस्ट वेवी इफेक्ट दूंगी ताकि जस्ट उसके साथ वो मर्ज अप हो जाए. फॉर दैट जस्ट कीप इट फॉर like this much second. I think that's enough. And here also I have 1 2 3 little strand. I'll just wave it up like this. You can see guys how beautifully my hair got curled. अगर आपको tight curls चाहिए, you can keep it like this. If you want like very loose curl, you can just comb your hair lightly, light comb. It will just loosen up and will give you very wavy look. If you don't want tight curls, for that you can comb your hair and keep it like this. So remember one important thing that you need always to do while straightening and curling is always use heat protectant. I'll suggest you every time, because that will maintain your hair quality, hair growth and hair volume. So guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up, like my video and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so every time when I post video you'll get notified. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Love you.